Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In today's session, we are going to learn the topic difference between gerund and present participle. What is the difference between the present participle and gerund when both come at the beginning of the sentence? Before going to start my session, I would like to explain both the definition of both gerund and present participle. So let us see here. Gerund is a word. Gerund क्या है? एक word है. Gerund एक word है. Ending in ing, जो ing पे ख़त्म होता है. Ending in ing, that is made from a verb and used like a noun. Gerund ing पे ख़त्म होता है, जो verb से बनता है और ये noun की तरह इस्तेमाल होता है. ये है gerund. Examples: eating, dancing and playing. Some examples I have taken for understanding. Next, present participle. What is the meaning of present participle? Present participle बनाने का सबसे आसान तरीका ये है, base form, root form of the verb. Root form of verb को हम ing लगाते हैं, आखिर में ing लगाते हैं, तो ये क्या बन जाता है? Present participle. Example here, open. Open is a base form of the verb, root form of the verb, plus ing and is equal to opening. तो ये क्या हो जाता है? Present participle बन जाता है. To form the present participle of verbs, we need to add ing to the root form of the verb. Root form और base form of the verb को हम क्या करते हैं? ing लगाते हैं और इस तरह से हम उसको क्या करते हैं? Present participle बनाते हैं. Present participle और gerund जब beginning में आता है, sentence के शुरू में आता है, तो किस तरह से हमें इसे पहचानना होगा? कौन सा रूल है, क्या चीज़, दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है gerund और participle में? Let us learn with the help of some real life examples. Real life examples. What is simple way में हम किस तरह बोलेंगे? I shut the door and I relaxed on the bed. This is a simple way. But this way, this is shutting the door, I relaxed on the bed. So shutting the door, दरवाज़ा बंद करके मैं रिलैक्स किया. दरवाज़ा बंद करके मैं रिलैक्स किया. और शटिंग द डोर आई स्टार्टेड रिलैक्सिंग ऑन द बेड. दरवाज़ा बंद करके मैं रिलैक्स करने लगा. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग शटिंग द डोर, वी कैन से आई शट द डोर. देन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, एंड आई रिलैक्स्ड ऑन द बेड. सो दिस इज़ वन वे, बट दिस वे इज़ डिफरेंट. दिस वे शटिंग द डोर, दरवाज़ा बंद करके, आई रिलैक्स्ड ऑन द बेड. सो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दैट शटिंग इज़ ing form. Okay, shutting the door, ing form is here. So shutting the door, one action, and another action is I relaxed on the bed. Okay, and it is separated by comma. It is separated by comma. So this is called, what we can say, this is present participle. This ing shutting, shutting the door. So this ing is called present participle. Okay. Got it? Now, shutting the door is easy for me. So here, in gerund, this is shutting the door. Here also we have shutting the door, and here also we have shutting the door. But the difference is, so here we have is. Okay, and this is only one sentence. Whereas if we compare this one, first one, this is first sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. So in sentence number 1, shutting the door, after that we have comma, I relaxed on the bed. Two sentences are combined and we have written the sentence in this way. But in the second sentence we have shutting the door is easy for me. Shutting the door is easy for me. So here we have only one sentence. Okay, this is only one sentence, and this sentence actually it is a combination of two sentences. We have combined two sentences and made one sentence. So here shutting the door is easy for me. So here in the second sentence, shutting the door is easy for me. So it is showing the state of being. So here shutting, this word shutting the door. So shutting is actually is gerund. Door बंद करना मेरे लिए आसान, is easy for me. Okay. For example, one person is there, old person, very old person, old fellow, bedridden. He is bedridden, very sick. He cannot stand from his place. Okay, he cannot even move from his place. So I can write for him, the person who cannot stand, he is bedridden, he cannot move, even he cannot move. So for that person, shutting the door is very difficult for him. So here shutting is a gerund, shutting the door. So the shutting here is a gerund. So there is a difference. You can understand that difference between the here also shutting and here also shutting the door, shutting the door. But we can understand. How can we understand? Because of here we have comma and we have two sentences, one sentence and two sentences. Okay, so you can easily understand that this is not a gerund. This is present participle. Present participle. Shutting the door. दरवाज़ा बंद करके. Shutting the door. दरवाज़ा बंद करके. I relax on the bed. मैं बेड पे आराम किया. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में क्या है? शटिंग द डोर. हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव शटिंग द डोर. शटिंग द डोर इज़ ईजी फॉर मी. शटिंग द दरवाज़ा बंद करना मेरे लिए आसान है. शटिंग द डोर इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर हिम. दरवाज़ा बंद करना उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. तो यहाँ पे स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग बताता है. जेरेंड स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग बताता है. जेरेंड हॉबी बताता है. जेरेंड एक्टिविटी को बताता है. रेगुलर हैबिट को बताता है. यहाँ पे जो है रिलैक्स शटिंग द डोर इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर हिम. यहाँ पे स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग को बता रहा है. दिस इज़ वन सेंटेंस विच इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू सेंटेंसेस. वी कैन राइट इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. रबिंग द बोर्ड. आई रब द बोर्ड एंड आई वेंट आउट. I rubbed the board and I went out. We can say this is another way to say the same sentence. But here rubbing the board rub करके I went out, मैं बाहर गया. So rubbing the board is here. This rubbing is what we can say it is not a gerund, it is present participle. So here rubbing the board is easy for everyone. Here we have only one sentence. Rubbing the board is easy. Rubbing the board. Board rub करना आसान है. Board rub करना मुश्किल है. So मुश्किल है, आसान है, easy है, difficult है. ये सब तमाम चीज़ें क्या है? Gerund है. Rubbing is a gerund. Okay. And here you can easily understand with the help of is. Okay. But here we have combination of two sentences by using comma. Here we have only one sentence. After rubbing the board you can see is. So this is gerund and this is present participle. Cutting the tomatoes. I started boiling water. tomatoes को कट करके मैं water boil करना शुरू किया. What is this? You can easily understand because you have already learned. I have explained you in a very simple and very easy way. I am 100% sure that you can give answers now very easily. Cutting the tomatoes. What is cutting the tomatoes? Just you see what is here cutting. Cutting, is it a gerund or is it a gerund or is it a present participle? Easily you can say this. Here we have sentence which is a combination of two sentences. Here we have one sentence which is a combination of two sentences. Okay, so easily you can say, yeah, you are 100% right. Cutting is not a gerund, it is present participle. It is present participle. Now next one is, what is next? Next here we have cutting the tomatoes is my daily activity. Cutting the tomatoes is my daily activity. So what is this? You can say this one also. Yes, you are right. Cutting the tomatoes. So here cutting is not a present participle, it is a gerund. Okay, so you can easily understand that what is the difference between gerund and present participle. This is a basic video. With the help of examples we have learned here present participle and gerund. When present participle and gerund come at the beginning of sentence, how can we understand easily? I have explained you in the best possible way. In order to understand the difference between gerund and present participle, let us do exercise here. Swimming is my favorite sport. What is this? You can guess, you can easily say swimming is my favorite sport. So swimming is, what is this, gerund or present participle? What is your answer? Yes, it is gerund. Because of here we have is. Easily we can understand that swimming is my favorite. So this is gerund. Watching TV is not good all the time. So watching TV. So here watching TV. So this is, here we have watching TV. So here watching TV is, again you can understand that is gerund. So this is also we have gerund, not present participle. Next one, our next example, putting on his coat, he left the house. Putting on his coat, he left the house. कोट पहनकर वो घर से चला गया. कोट पहनकर वो घर से चला गया. What is this? Please guess. You can say easily. I am 100% sure that you can give the answer easily. So you are 100% right. Putting on the coat, on his coat. So here putting is not a gerund. This is present participle. This is present participle because of we have here comma and we have another, one more thought. So here two ideas are there, two sentences are. This sentence is a combination of two ideas. This sentence is a combination of two sentences, two ideas. This sentence is a combination of two ideas and it is separated by comma. That is the thing, that is the reason it is called present participle. Putting is a present participle. Last, going to college is my daily activity. Going to college is my daily activity. Again, you can understand that going to college. College jana kya hai? My is my daily activity. So is, after that you can understand that is. So here going to college. So going is not a present participle, it is gerund. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have an amazing day. Enjoy learning.